Welcome to this tour of Culloden Battlefield. Culloden is about 5 miles east of Inverness. If you visit, be respectful. This is a war grave, and the bodies of the dead still remain. Upon arrival, you'll go to the visitor center. This is where you'll get tickets for entry. Like most tourist locations, there's a gift shop. Here you will find many unique items, including jewelry crafted from the flowers from the battlefield. There are books on the battle, as well as Culloden whiskey. The battlefield is managed by the National Trust for Scotland. The Visitors Center also features a really nice cafe with lots of choices for food and drink. For those of you that don't know, the Culloden Battlefield is a memorial for a single day in history, which was April 16th, 1746. This was the final push of the Jacobite Highlanders against the British Crown. As you can see from this scene from the TV show Outlander, Jacobite supporters gathered to fight the Duke of Cumberland's government troops. In less than 1 hour, 1,600 men were slain during this battle. 1,500 of them were Jacobites. The Jacobites were fighting to restore the exiled Stuart King James VIII as king. The Jacobites were led by Prince Charles Edward Stuart, or Bonnie Prince Charlie. Although this was a short battle, it was very bloody, and it changed life in the Highlands forever. While walking through the battlefield, you'll see flags. Red represents the British battle lines. Blue represents the Jacobite battle lines. As you view the flags across the field, you'll notice the enormity and the scale of the battlefield. Remember, Culloden was a moor. It was wet and boggy. It has been restored to its 18th century roots. This stone marks a spot where clan chief Alexander MacGillivray died. Throughout the battlefield, you'll see stones inscribed with the names of clans. These are grave markers for all the clans that have died during this battle. Mortar shells, musket balls have been found throughout the battlefield. Many are on display inside the Visitor Center Museum. Due to the popularity of the TV show Outlander, one clan grave marker stands above them all. That belongs to the Clan Fraser. In the fictional TV series, Jamie Fraser is one of the key characters of that series. One of the most recognizable features of the battlefield is the 20-foot-tall memorial cairn. It was built in 1881 by Duncan Forbes. He is also the one that erected the clan headstones. This was built as a monument to the brave Highlanders who fought for Scotland and Bonnie Prince Charlie. The TV series Outlander has increased the visibility of Culloden. The Culloden battle scenes were not filmed here. They were filmed at another location. However, there were some scenes like this that were filmed at Culloden. Between the Visitor Center and the battlefield is Leonic Cottage, if I'm pronouncing that correctly. It's one of the last surviving single-story thatch buildings in the area. It was constructed early in the 18th century. It once served as a visitor center for the battlefield. Thanks for taking the time to watch this. If you liked the video, please click on the like button. Also, click on the subscribe button to subscribe to our channel. If you're interested in Scotland or other locations you can visit in Scotland, click on one of the videos above. Thanks again for watching, and be sure to come back to the channel on a regular basis so you can see more videos similar to this.